Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Outlook tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to display saved passwords in Outlook. This is quite simple. The only thing you need for this is the software Mail Pass View. On this page you can download the program. You just have to scroll down to Feedback and here's the download. I already downloaded the software, so I open the program. And now I can see all the accounts and passwords that I have saved in Outlook. Here I see the mail address and all server settings like IMAP and SMTP. And here I can see my saved passwords. I don't have to write the passwords down by hand, just right click and choose Copy Password. And that's how easy it is to display your saved passwords in Outlook. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.